Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to set up payments on Buy Me a Coffee so you can start earning support from fans, get paid easily, and monetize your content without needing a complicated website or store. First off, go to buymeacoffee.com and sign up using your email. It's free to create an account and start sharing your page right away. Next, customize your profile with a bio, photo, and links to your socials or content. Then set up your tiers like $5, $10, or $25 with fun perks, like thank you messages, shout-outs, or exclusive updates. Here's a pro tip. Promote your Buy Me a Coffee link everywhere. In your Instagram bio, YouTube description, TikTok, or even on your podcast intro. Don't forget, connect your PayPal or Stripe account so you can actually receive payments. Buy Me a Coffee makes it super simple to track earnings and payout cycles. Also, engage with supporters who send tips. Building a relationship keeps people coming back. Should setting up Buy Me a Coffee feel confusing? Not anymore. Just follow these steps and start turning your audience into supporters. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and let me know. What should we cover next?